That is my baptismal pool right there. That lake wasn't our goal. That was just a beautiful plateau on our next journey, on our bigger journey of reaching our potential. So let's get back to work. Let's start climbing. And we can always, as we get tired and frustrated or feeling hopeless on the journey to our next plateau towards our full potential, we can always look back and see the beautiful plateaus that we've already reached. Love the work. If you have an attitude of gratitude within the work. All right, we're still grinding it out. So let's take a look. That's the work that's ahead of us. Let's look up to our dream. Whew, those are high up there. Those are way up there. Let's not lose our footing. There's the lake that we were at. We were down on that desert floor yesterday morning. Incredible. Could not see that this beautiful lake was up here. We only had the faith that we saw it on a map. Could not see it for almost 1 3/4 days worth of hard work. But plateau realized that refills our reservoir of resiliency. These people that say that the kids that pass away by suicide is a lack of resilience, or that the people who are depressed and are apparently lazy to them don't understand that laziness is the cloak that hopelessness wears, and that resiliency is a tank that depletes and must be refilled. This is why I'm talking to you so much about using your different vantage points and going from one to the other to keep your resiliency tank full. Get it, you got to get it depleted a little bit, but then you've got to take time to fill it back up. And you cannot let these people who are passing judgment on those who have died by suicide and their grieving families, you cannot let their insults continue to deplete your reservoir of resilience. If anything, try to find and use their lack of compassion and their lack of kindness. Use it as fuel. That's what I've been doing. Listen to that. To those of you who's feeling like your resiliency tank is depleting, take a mindfulness minute. Refill your tank. Let the hurt, the pain, the guilt, the shame, all the negative emotions that arise when those people attack the dead, saying they just have a lack of resilience, or that it was a bad family. Shove that off. Take a minute. Listen to this beautiful water. And let those insults and attacks get washed away. And refill your resiliency tank. I'm going to just be quiet and let the sound of the water do the talking.